Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 42 Woodstock Road. This large semi-detached property is located within the Moseley area with ample parking here to the front and a good sized garden to the rear as well. And moving inside the property, we have the entrance vestibule and hallway with original tile flooring. And then two separate reception rooms. Starting here to the front of the property, again with original bay window. High ceilings and coving. And then the turning staircase leading up to the first floor. And continuing to the second reception room, which overlooks the rear garden and has double doors leading out to the rear. A cast iron log burning stove. And then we have the rear lobby and downstairs WC stroke utility. And just to the right, breakfast kitchen. Where we have ample space for a table and chairs, integrated cooker and hob, space for a dishwasher and tall fridge freezer. And then back through to the hallway, where we also have access to the cellar just below the staircase here. And onto the first floor, we've got the staircase here going up to the second floor, and then a split level landing with the bathroom down on the lower level, and two bedrooms, starting with the main bedroom here to the front of the house. Again, lovely high ceilings. And then next bedroom here with a window to the rear. And an archway going through to the bedroom area. Where there is a step, also a step down. Finally, we've got the bathroom here with bath, shower above, WC, and also the wash basin here in the corner. Okay, and onto the second floor, we have the landing area with skylight and then 2 bedrooms. First one here to the front of the property, having a window to the side aspect. And then next bedroom facing the rear of the property. Okay, now moving outside, we have a patio area, and then there is also a gated side access out to the front of the house. Moving through to the lawn section with raised beds and then a raised patio area at the far end. And that concludes the online viewing for this property. So if you'd like to give us a call for any further information, and we look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks, bye for now.